Kaizer Chiefs has not released any statement about signing uPhusile Tejane, noMoloisane Thabo Moloisane, yes. And then they have not released any statement about releasing uMaurice Bafowethu. So let's hope ukuthi Phusile Tejane is not only rumors is really coming to Kaizer Chiefs, but I want to see how will he be coping after what happened when he left Kaizer Chiefs. So I want to wait and see ukuthi Bafowethu which direction are they taking with Phusile Tejane nokuthi bazomwamukela kanjani, because the boy stand his ground and said, no, I cannot be a ball boy. I want to play because I believe in myself. That's the problem with Kaizer Chiefs. They don't give a player a chance. They want to judge first. That's why you see a lot of DTC players, they are playing in other clubs and they are doing very well. And then uMoloisane Bafowethu, I am not sure ukuthi the statement is good, but he has been linked with the Kaizer Chiefs since the first half season of Betway Premier League Bafowethu. So let's hope ukuthi Betway Premiership, I mean league. So let's hope ukuthi the guy is coming to Kaizer Chiefs. He can bring something good to Kaizer Chiefs. And then bese kuba uNtshebe Bafowethu Maurice. I think it would be a good thing ukuthi uMtshita ahambe noma ngabe uthiwa ujoyine iStellenbosch, so that he can start showing his talent there, because we cannot judge a lot, but since he was given time to play, I haven't seen him. So I don't know ukuthi it was because of ukuthi team it was still lacking, or it was him. The problem was there on him ukuthi he cannot do what he's supposed to do. So it's early to judge him, but not in Kaizer Chiefs. Let him go to other teams so that you can be able to judge him. And then bese kube uSaleng Bafowethu naye. He has signed to Mamelodi Sundowns, which is a great news Bafowethu. I really support. I was willing ukuthi uMtshita vele athole